hail coming off my roof. See it bouncing off the roof. See the hail in the front yard. I don't know if you can see it, but it's bouncing off the roof. There's a piece of it. That's the fan. See the flower bed. See how much hail is in the flower bed. Starting to slack up now. That's my South Carolina, my Air Force flag, I'm sorry.